Okay, so having just come back from the long trip, 400 miles, about 9-10 starts, the coolant has again dropped well below the minimum level. I am on a slight slope here, but it still won't make that much difference. Every time I've started it, I've noticed, obviously started from cold, I've started a lot of smoke out the back, a lot of steam. The temperature is now 15 degrees. We're not going to rev it, we'll just see what happens and listen to the start. Oh, hang on. Sorry, that's the ghost. Let's just reset that. Let's do the code. Wait for it to flash. Car start. Maybe it won't. Reset the ghost. Try again. Right, so starting. Why not? We'll get in again. Back on. Great, so first problems with my ghost ever. I think coolant is getting into the engine and the coolant gets burnt off and it's doing this. It's not cold, 15 degrees. And then eventually the smell, I wouldn't say it's sweet. Fireworks, maybe not. Don't see any black. Just drank a bit of oil. I put 250 in, 250 ml. And then it clears. Well, it's nice to let it come off. And then it clears.